In this video, I will show you step by step how to remove your kitchen faucet. So let's get started. Under your sink, find your isolation valve, use a flat screwdriver, give it a quarter turn so that its slot would be across the pipe in order to turn off the water supply to your kitchen tap. Then run the kitchen tap to drain the water from your pipes. Find the hot and cold flexi hoses that are coming down from your kitchen sink, and they are connected to two other flexi hoses with a compression nut. First, we would disconnect the cold hose, use a 24 millimeters open-ended spanner, and then turn the nut anti-clockwise to loosen the nut while holding the opposite end. Before disconnecting the hose, place a bucket underneath the hose to collect any water, and once the nut is loose enough, you could completely open it by using your hand. Using a marker, mark the pipe with the letter C so that you will remember it's the cold connection. Now, similarly, disconnect the hot flexible tap connector. In the next step, we will need to undo the retaining nut from the long threaded stud right underneath the sink below the tab. Use a box spanner and then turn the nut counterclockwise to loosen it. Meanwhile, have a second person hold the tab steady from the above so the whole tab doesn't spin while trying to undo the nut. Once you break the initial tension, it should spin freely. Back the nut all the way down the thread, head back above the sink, grab the body of the old tap and simply pull it straight up. And then first pull one of the hoses out and then the other one also would come out easily. Take a moment to thoroughly clean the area around the tap hole